Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. The 787 landing at Heathrow tried to land in a storm but had to do a touch and go after a failed attempt.
Oh my god.
This plane doing a low pass.
Oh shit.
This plane landed without landing gear due to the pilot forgetting to deploy it before landing, even though the alarm was sounding. This plane got picked up by the wind in what's known as a ground loop, causing it to steer off the runway. The Cessna doing another really low pass.
Mira, está. Primera vez que me agacho.
This water tanker plane had to land without its landing gear after it failed to deploy. The Swedish helicopter pilot showing off his skills by flying backwards in a helicopter.
När vi har ögon i nacken och vi har en navigatör som hjälper oss att hålla så att säga svängen med höjden och inte flyga på några hinder.
The Cessna trying to land in a really strong crosswind.
He's gonna get home Midas here any second.
There you go. Okay.
Stay on the runway. Oh,
Plane landing on a small grass airfield in the jungle. That's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Other sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one.